Creative homeschooling.
We are delighted to inform you that the Chessmate book is now available worldwide. This book is designed specially for absolute beginners and contains 48 challenges. The primary goal of our challenges is to teach the moves of various pieces in a single setup. The goal is to capture all the other pieces on the board. To complete a challenge, only one piece should remain on the board and all other pieces must be captured. We begin with 4 pieces in the beginner, that is 8 level, and gradually increase the number of pieces to 8 in the expert, that is butterfly level.